قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. It is mentioned about this surah of the Holy Quran that whoever reads it once get a reward of reading 1/3 of Holy Quran. And it is mentioned further about this surah that one guy reported that this person reads Surah Ikhlas in every rakat of our prayer. So Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked him why he do so. So the guy mentioned, this surah mentions the qualities of our God and I love this surah. So Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, tell him that Allah loves you as well. Another place it's mentioned that one guy was reciting Surah Ikhlas and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, obligatory. The companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked, what is obligatory, O Prophet of Allah? He said, paradise. So another place it is mentioned that whoever enters in their house, no matter if there is any person in the house or no, he should say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin wa barik wa sallam alayh. And then read Surah Ikhlas. He will get this much wealth that he will not be able to handle. Even his neighbors will benefit from it as well. So we should all try to read Surah Ikhlas as much as we can.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.